Today we are going to be doing InMo Series 4, a question of Nepali and Maths Olympiad. This is the question. Find all integers n such that 5n minus 1 by 3 is a prime or perfect square of an integer. Please remember to share and subscribe. Okay. This is the let us start with the solution. Okay. So there will be two cases. Okay. What will be the cases? If it is prime or if it is a perfect square of an integer. So case 1, 5n minus 1 upon 3 is equal to p. Okay, where p is prime. Alright, guys. Here, this is the case. I think I should highlight it. Yeah, prime. Okay. So can we expand this and say that 4 to the this n minus 1 plus 5 n minus 2 plus 5 n minus 3 dot 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 5 0, right? I can expand this, right? This will be down the up the numerator. So I will get 4 5n minus 1 plus 5n minus 2 plus 5n minus 3 dot 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 5 to the power 0 upon 3. This is equal to p, where p is prime. Okay, this is very very important. So if you need to understand this step very well. I'll give you a hint. You need to do it with binomial. Okay, this is very very important. This expression. So and we know that 4 and 3 GCD is 1. So then 4 divides, we'll have to divide p because because GCD is 1 and this divides p. So 4 will have to divide p. Right? So if 4 divides p and p is prime, but and prime will only divide 1 and p. So contradiction. Right? Then what will we see? Case 2. What we need to say? Find all integers n, okay? So perfect square. 5n minus 1 upon 3 is equal to some k squared, okay? Where k is a perfect integer, perfect square, perfect, like, positive integer. Forgive me for my mistake. Right? So, I will take this side. I will get 5n minus 1 is equal to 3k squared. Okay? So, what is k squared mod 5? 0 whole square is equal to 0. 1 whole square is equal to 1. 2 whole square is equal to minus 1. 3 whole square is equal to minus 1. 4, 9. This is equal to minus 1, minus 1. 4 whole square is equal to 1. 16. Okay, this is mod 5. Okay. And 5 whole square is equivalent to 0. Equal to 25. Okay. So what is this? 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 0. Or 0, 1, minus 1. Alright. So then what will we get? And 5 and minus 1 is 0 mod 5. So we'll get 0, 0 minus 1 is equal to 3k squared. Minus 1 is equal to 3k squared. K squared is 1, 0, minus 1. So if we put the values 1, if we put 1, what will we get? This is if 5n is equal to 0. And if n is greater than equal to 1, then it will be 0. So 1 comma 0 comma minus 1. So we'll put 1. What will we get? 3 is equivalent to equal to 1 is equivalent to minus 1. Wrong. 0 is equivalent to minus 1. Wrong. Minus 1 whole square is 1 only. So 3 is equivalent to minus 1. Wrong. So 5n must be less than 1. But it's given n is a fine all integers. And if we say this is suppose, so we get 5 is less than 1. 5n is less than 1. And if so, n will be equal to it will be less than 1 because it's saying integer. So if n is less than 1, then we can see either n is equal to 0 or n is negative. So if n is negative, if we put it here, then we'll get a fraction. Fraction minus 1 will be a fraction. Fraction upon 3 will again be a fraction. So it will never be a prime, which needs to be an integer, positive integer, or a perfect square, which also needs an integer. So n can never be a negative. So n will have to be equal to 0. Understood? So proof. Understood, guys? I hope you understood it now. Okay? Thanks. You. Please share and subscribe.